Back in 2012, I opened the law offices of Bill Hicks, and in 2014 we merged. Things were going really good. And then in 2018, we saw some kind of shrinking of the firm. That didn't really sit well with me. I go to the Chris Summit and I found out all these great things that we should be doing, and I found out all the things we should not be doing. And I realized that many of the things we should not be doing is exactly what we were doing. Going into 2020, there were some other issues, difference in the vision of the way the firm should be going, and I decided that what would be best for me is if I left the firm.
In May, we ended our partnership with my partners and struck out on our own and began the law offices of Bill D. Hicks. Although I'd left the partnership, I was still in the same building with the partners. So we needed to get out and establish our own office space. It's a big leap of faith to leave your comfortable law firm to go ahead and come back out on your own and invest in a building that, well, as you can see, and we'll see here in a little bit, needs a lot of work. We completely gutted the house, took out the walls, the roof, the ceiling, everything. It has been a long day, packing and packing and packing. We're going to be moving today or tomorrow morning when the movers show up. We're moving to the new office. One last look at the old office before the movers show up tomorrow morning. Today's the day. Movers will be here soon. Just in the past month, we've moved into our new offices and very pleased about that, and finally gotten my offices up on its own 2 feet and begun to establish my own identity. And thanks to the Chris social stack, we're really getting our name out there and beginning to establish ourselves, and we're beginning to see the cases coming in, and things are really beginning to come together. When we started out in May 1st of 2020, all of my files could fit in this one box. So then we got over here, we have all of our criminal state files are here. So personal injury files that are already done, cases that are done. The back part is all family, and then the front part are my criminal federal cases. We're looking to hire someone new and expand our office to 3 people. We're going to be expanding here. Right now I have about 35 personal injury cases on a rolling basis right now. Our goal is to come to 100 personal injury cases on a rolling basis by the end of this year.
I have to say that getting Crisp Video on board for the law offices of Bill Hicks was a really good decision, and I made that decision early on. I think I hired Crisp on before I'd even had the law offices of Bill Hicks for 1 full month. So paying my money for Crisp worked out to about 50% of my income at the time, and every month since then, despite the financial headaches, the growing pains of establishing my own practice, every single person I've talked to has commented that I personally am a happier person. My revenue for 2021 is going to far exceed my revenue in 2020. It's electric, it's exciting how much growth we've seen in so short an amount of time.
My outlook on life is more optimistic. I'm happier at home, I'm happier in the office. We're growing, we're moving, and it's been a good year. Many good things to come.